Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be playing Hide-E-O. I kinda started it like a little bit early. I mean, I was gonna wait like till the round was over and then join and then talk. But this guy right here is just like doing so well. He that's out of place because that's a dresser. And there's a chip. Well, never mind. He got wrecked. Anyways, I think I'm going. But yeah, today we're gonna be playing Hide-E-O for phone. What am I? What? Everybody. Books. I am books. I'm gonna risk it. I'm a couch. Yeah, I can do this. Move out my way. The picture frames are in my way. I might come over here and then just. There you go. Dude, I'm so fucking out of place. I'm gonna lock it. That's not too shabby. Okay. This is where all these fuckers over here start. Okay. So we got 3 police officers, 1 skeleton, 1 army dude, and 1 common civilian. Who else is a chair? I saw another chair. Oh. Oh, wait, never mind. I think that might work. I have a feeling like this fucker right here is gonna find me. Because there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's in, no. Yeah, 6 of us in here. Nighthor faggot. Wow. Anyways, I feel like I'm gonna get tagged right now. The only one who doesn't get wrecked is the box. No, he goes straight for the other like 2 pictures. But anyways, let's see if we can get away with our spot. I mean, it's like we fooled 2 of them. But I think this guy is like looking around for out of place objects. He might get the books. No, don't hit the chair. Fucking hit the chair. Yeah, I'm totally this chair right here. Come punch it a few times. You might just keel over and die. But anyways, I think I'm gonna go exploring. Are you seriously a mousetrap? Dude, you can get away with that. Like, you could go. That toilet's gonna die. Come on, I was a big old chair and he found me. And this box is like hanging off the wall over here. Boy, you was blind. Okay. This time, I'm gonna find a spot that nobody knows. Sorry, I had a heater on. Okay, what am I? I'm a sax. No. I want to be a giant vending. I think I'm a vending machine. Oh, there's so many of you people. I'm stuck in the doorway. Oh, no, I'm not. I might get away with this. I mean, what am I, first of all? Yeah, sorry, I had to sneeze. What am I? Uh-oh. Move, bitch! Get. I just gonna have to go with it. I'm gonna instantly get tagged. This is so fucking out of place. Ah! Oh, okay, that scared the shit out of me. I'm so out of place. Look at me. I mean, come on. You have to be. Come on. Dude, no. What are you, legendary king? Oh, box. No, you're a jewelry box. Operation, whatever this is a go. I mean, I'm getting away with it now because people are stupid. There's a floating fucking piggy bank. This guy was just in here. There's a floating piggy bank. Boy, no. No. What are you? Really? Well, he died. At least he died before me. Legendary king. Yeah. I feel like one of the Japanese guys or Korean guys might get me. I think he's gonna come kill me. Watch him. Where are you? Milk. There's another one in here, so. Oh wow, she's perfect. I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's a soda machine. I'm a soda machine. I'm supposed to be in that room. Well, I mean, a bunch of these fuckers walk past me, so. Really? Stupid. Ah! I told you, one of the Korean guys. No, fuck off, ads. Boy. Oh, I was gonna say. That's a giant. The only one who's safe. Oh wait. What is legendary king? Are you getting away with this? How are you getting away with this? I should just say the saxophone, because then I can just like come over here and just troll right here, like lol. The office. This is obviously gonna be fun. Okay, what? No. What? No. Oh, there we go. That was bad and bad. Oh, get the fuck off me. But actually, fuck this spot. Fuck, move out of my way. You found me, fuck you. Mind if I sit on your lap? I'm not even on your lap. Come on, Santa. There we go. I work here. Hello, would you like a job, office? I will sell you one. Cause you are obviously stupid. Hello, Moonstar. I think I'm just gonna tap away on my computer. Tap. Hold on, let me just, where is it? Okay, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna bounce. It's like, oh shit, fuck you. Nigger faggot. No, fuck you. Fuck you. Shit, I can't fucking get out. There we go. Okay. If I die, you're coming with me. Ah! No, he found me. Oh my god, ads. I decided to like right next to him. I like hid right here. He's all looking around. Legendary thing. A telephone. I wanted it to be a keyboard because like last time there was like a table here, or magazines too, and I just like slid all the way to the back and nobody could find it. It was such a BS spot. Right now they're doing okay, I guess, for now. Believe. Put your face in your gods. No. Operation Screwdriver. Operation Screwdrivers go. Enemy spotted. I can't go anywhere with him. He found me, he found me, he found me, he found me. Yes. Oh, no. He found me, he found me, he found me. Oh, nigger fact. Operation Screwdrivers go. He's all, where'd the screwdriver go? I need an Operation Ghost Ninja this. If I can get inside that box. I thought I was stuck. Okay. Operation Ghost Ninja. No. Operation Screwdriver is a go. Roger that. Operation Screwdriver is a go. Hopefully I might win this game, guys. Operation Screwdriver seems like... Well, let me like, change a kind of a position, because this house looks like wreck, so it needs to not look perfect. Where'd you go? Oh, yeah. Where did the screwdriver go? I don't know. Ah, I lost. Where? Oh, there. Ooh, it's cold out here. Out in Newberry, it's like really cold right now. Ooh. Operation Screwdriver. Operation. She hit the lamp! He's glitched into the door! Get him! Wow. Wow, you're finding... I feel bad for you. You're gonna get spotted right now. There's no way you can keep up that X. Not even against this guy right here. Never mind, he's stupid. Come on! I can do this! I can do this! Operation Melon Nazis go. Also guys, please do check me out on Instagram. Also, I'm going to be setting up a Twitter very soon, so you can be receiving updates of when I'm going to be posting videos. And I hope you guys like this, because I want to see how many people want to see more of this. Like, I know they have Gmod. I can't get that because I don't have a computer. So I went with the next best thing to troll people on. Mobile. And this dude, seriously, the books, they're too much. There's always like 3 books like around here. How am I perfect? Because like, you can't see me, but at the same time, I'm like in the most obvious position. So, come on, dude. Operation Melanazi was a success. Operation Melanazi was a gun.
We're worthless on the moon. We carry a harpoon. For there ain't no well, so we tell tales we sing by Wade and June. We're worthless on the moon. We carry a harpoon. For there ain't no well, so we tell tales we sing by Wade and June. We're worthless on the moon.